Hello folks, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Guru Tech Solutions. Data analysis might be a difficult task for many of us. It is indeed a hectic job to analyze the data and to understand it. Hey, don't be panic, in this captivating video, we dive into the world of free AI-powered data analysis, where cutting-edge technology meets accessibility. Join us on an exhilarating journey as we explore the incredible capabilities of this game-changing tool. Prepare to be amazed as we unleash the power of artificial intelligence to unravel insights from your data like never before. With user-friendly interfaces and powerful algorithms at your fingertips, you'll unlock a whole new level of analytical prowess. Don't miss out on this opportunity to harness the potential of advanced data analysis tools without breaking the bank. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary adventure and discover the possibilities of free AI for data analysis. Your data-driven future starts here. So, let's suppose this is the data we have, and this raw data has been downloaded from the internet and I have no information pertaining to this particular data. Since this data has been picked randomly. Now I just want to understand this data and I want to analyze and make sense of the data in hand. The first step would be copying the data from here. So, let's suppose these are the entries I am copying, and I would like to paste in the AI tool. For this I am using the most famous and free AI tool of 2023, that is ChatGPT. So, before we paste our data here, we will ask ChatGPT to help us with data analysis and I will type here. Can you analyze the given data? Once I typed, I will hit enter. You can see that it says yes, ChatGPT will surely analyze the provided data. Now I will paste the copied data in the given space. Here you go. So, this is the data which I have just copied and pasted here. Now the next step is to hit enter. Boom! As I said initially, this data is raw data and I have no idea about the downloaded data. Now you can see that it has provided information about this particular data. It says there appears to be a list of information about employees including their name, job, title, department, business, unit, gender, salary, country, and more. Now I can understand what this data is all about. It means that now I can make sense of this data, and initially it was difficult for me to make sense of this data. So, in a nutshell, this data is all about the information of employees of any company. ChatGPT helped me to make sense of this raw data. Now we will go deeper, and we will analyze it further to make more sense of it. For that we will ask the free AI to help us. Here the data is not in tabular form. What if this entire data will be provided in tabular form to make more sense of it? Therefore, I will ask ChatGPT to convert the data into tabular form. Once I am done with the typing, I will hit enter and you can see the magic. ChatGPT agreed to convert the data into tabular form. Now this AI will astonish you, since it will convert the entire raw data into tabular form, which will ultimately make more sense. See, this free AI converts the entire data into tabular form and it's automatically drawing columns and rows. Besides, it automatically arranges the data and fills the table. You can see that it's processing the data one by one to fill the required space with the correct information. You don't have to do anything. You just have to instruct this free AI properly and with eyes wide open see the magic. Now you can understand this data further. You can see that here ID numbers of the employees are listed down, besides their names, job titles, and many more. You can go through the data to make more sense of it. So, let's analyze it further and get more information about it. Now I am interested to know the average salary of the employees of this company. So, I will type and hit enter. It will take microseconds to extract information from the data. You just have to wait for a few seconds. So here you go. This is the average salary of the employees. It is $119,603. If I start to find the average salary of the employees manually, it will surely take enough time. Because for that I have to look at data very closely. But this AI helps to extract more accurate information within few seconds from rich data. So, let's analyze more. This time I want to know the total number of employees distribution as per their gender and age. In simple words, I want to know the frequencies of the employees as per their gender and age. Just type and see the magic. Here you go. You can see that the employees, being aged between 25 to 29, they are 2 in number. Similarly, the equal number of employees' age varies between 26 to 33 and 50 to 55. Besides, there is the highest number of employees having age between 55 to 60 years. Now look at the frequency of gender, as there are 9 male and 8 female employees work in this company. In our single click, this free AI extracted this information within a few seconds. Let's explore the data further. As you can see from the table, various departments have been mentioned, for instance, IT, sales, finance, and many more. Now I just want to explore which department employee's salary is higher. So, I will type, which department employees earn more? And then I will click enter. This free AI will extract information from the data. It highlighted the salaries of each department. You can see this. At the end, it answered our questions in a single click, as the marketing department pays the highest salary to the employees. This can be seen in the result as well. Initially, it was difficult to highlight it from the data. This AI tool has the capacity to extract information from the provided data. Last but not least, I want the AI to draw an overall conclusion of the input data. Therefore, I will type, can you draw some conclusion based on the given data? So, let's see what this AI tool concludes from this data. See, this has extract information about every aspect of data. It started with age and concluded with the average age of the employees. Besides, it discusses about racial distribution of the employees, as Caucasian are higher in percentage, followed by Asian and Black. Moreover, it talks about the average salary of the employees. In a nutshell, this AI has extracted entire information from the data in single click. Now whatever data you have in your computer, whether related to your research work, any project, or any purposeful data, you can copy and paste here to extract specific information pertaining to that particular data. In the same way, you run descriptive as well as inferential statistic using this free AI tool. Since data analysis is an essential component of our daily life, therefore it's instrumental to have some knowledge about it. In this video we explore a free AI tool that can be used to analyze the data, or using this AI we can make sense of the data. Besides, various other techniques including inferential and descriptive analysis can be used for making more sense of the data in hand. I hope this video was fruitful. If so, kindly let me know by commenting. Moreover, to stay in touch, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Until we meet again, take care, bye.